Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do a guided meditation with the gemstone SARDONYX, the stone of strength and protection. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author of this book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put a link in the eye above and in the description box below. And I combine all of these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to its supportive qualities, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of SARDONYX, I'll also link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and watch that one for a little bit more detail into the supportive properties of SARDONYX. There's only two things that you'll need to start this guided meditation, and one is optional. If you have a piece of SARDONYX, then this is a good time to go and get that and put that by your meditation space. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If anything, during this guided meditation, any of the questions that I bring up feel really familiar, they speak to you, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some SARDONYX and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your SARDONYX, or you're ready to picture this gemstone in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. How does it feel in your body as you inhale and exhale? Bringing your attention to the rest of your body and noticing if there's any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. And moving up to your heart center and acknowledging if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then bringing your attention to the state of your mind. Is it calm, busy, distracted? And we're not trying to fix anything or make it a certain way. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your focus to those places on your body that touch the cushion or chair or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, perfectly supported, sitting directly over its center, and you have access to all of the energy within the earth. and it will guide and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of sardonyx, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And take a minute to feel the gemstone in your hand, to notice its weight. Run your fingers over the surface to see where it's smooth, where it's rough. And take a minute to get to know your piece of sardonyx. If you don't have a piece of the gemstone, then picture in your mind a deep orange and white banded gemstone. Then imagine a bright orange flower is blooming at your heart center. It expands your heart and lifts your mood. And sit with this image of sardonyx energy for a minute. Sardonyx is the stone of strength and protection. And as you hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you feel unsafe when you're in a particular location? Do you feel afraid to go to sleep at night? Are you feeling tired, depressed, or unmotivated? Do you need endurance to finish a project? Are you seeking new friends? Sardonyx is a gemstone that can support you in all of these life situations. And if one of these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your body, and mind. And consider it for the next minute or two while you hold or imagine your gemstone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you started this guided meditation. And release the image of the sardonyx energy and let go of the situation you were considering and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me to meditate today with Sardonyx, the stone of strength and protection. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like Sardonyx is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of that gemstone right when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, to initiate change and transformation in your life by knowing which situations you want support with, which crystals and gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. If you're new to this channel and you'd like to learn much more about gemstones, I talk about a different gemstone every single week, and I have guided meditations with those gemstones also every single week. So if you've been watching my videos for a while and you haven't yet subscribed, or you're new to the channel and you don't want to miss a single video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.